Hi, my name is Jason White, and you are now watching your 2-Minute Money Talk.
You are watching a master at work.
During this session, this gives me an opportunity to break down complex financial strategies into brief, everyday conversations. And today our topic is secure credit cards and why it's mandatory for you to have a revolving account reporting on your credit report if you have goals of being in the 700 club. So before I get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to the channel so that we can stay in touch and you can get this awesome information. Last video, I talked about credit builder loans. I was supposed to explain it in 2 minutes, kind of did not, but today I'm going to meet my 2-minute mark. So without further ado, put 2 minutes on the clock and I'm going to break this down for you right now. I don't know if you know this or not, but I own a financial improvement company called Witness Riches, and we offer a credit repair service that helps people fix their credit and boost their credit scores, right? And a lot of times we run across clients who have little to no payment history on their credit report, or they have payment history on their credit report, but they need help rebuilding it, and they're not really taking advantage of opportunities that are out there to take their credit to the next level. So what we do is we inform our clients of a particular account that they should add to their credit report that is not only going to help them build credit on their credit report, but it's also going to take their credit score to the next level. What am I talking about? You know it, secure credit cards. So a secure credit card is a revolving account that acts like an unsecured credit card. The difference is, instead of having an unsecured credit card that relies totally on your credit score to get approved, in this instance, you don't have a good credit score or you have little to no credit. So in order to get a revolving account reporting on your credit report, what you have to do is you have to secure the funds by using your own money as a deposit. If you want a $500 secure card reporting your credit report, you get $500 of your own money, you send it to the creditor, and they report that $500 on your credit report through a secured way. The great thing about a secured account is once you close the account, you get your money back. Whether it's an unsecured account or a secured account, they still act as a credit card on your credit report. Which brings me to my second point. Having a revolving account on your credit report through getting a secured card is a great way to build credit. All you have to do is set up a small account on your credit card, maybe a Netflix account, maybe you use it to get gas, and you pay it off every month. And when you pay it off every month, that low balance reports to the credit bureaus and your credit improves. So the thing about a secured account is it's very affordable to get started. Just $200 is the minimum that you need to get a secured account report on your credit report. So Jason, I don't have $200, but I bet you have cable. Suspend your cable for 2 months, use that money, deposit it on your secure card, and then voila, you have a revolving account reporting on your credit report. That easy. If you don't have the funds, it's just a small sacrifice that you need to get started with that. So the thing about revolving accounts in general is they're mandatory if you want to have a 700 credit score. Don't believe me? Let me break down the numbers really quick. So there's 5 components to a credit score. 2 of the biggest components to your credit score are payment history and credit utilization. Payment history, 35% of your credit score, credit utilization, 30%. That's 65% of your credit score, 192.5 points for payment history and 165 points for credit utilization. Those 2 components add a lot of points to your credit score. However, without credit utilization, you will never achieve a 700 credit score. So if you want a 700 credit score, what do you need? A revolving account. And a secure card is a great way for you to add that to your credit report. Okay, stop the clock. I'm sure I got this done in 2 minutes. If I didn't, I apologize, but hopefully you're grateful for the information. If you have little to no payment history or your credit is bad and you cannot get approved for an unsecured revolving account, I highly suggest that you look into getting a secured credit card so that you can add that payment history and credit utilization to your credit and begin to maximize your credit score. In our organization, we have one particular secure card that we share with all of our clients to help them rebuild their payment history and add that credit utilization component to the credit score. It's called Credit Builder Card. This is a great way for you to add payment history and credit utilization to your credit report. Very affordable to get started. Their minimum deposit is just $200. If you're interested in learning more about that Credit Builder Card, click the link associated to this video, learn more about it, and I believe they allow you to get up to 2 secure cards as long as you make the deposit. It's a great way for you to build your credit, and it's actually what we recommend to our clients to build theirs. Hopefully you enjoyed this information. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and please comment below if you have a secure card or not. And if you don't, please take advantage of my recommendation. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Peace.